Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about comparison between Astral Limited and Supreme Industries. Which one looks good at these prices and which one you can invest into. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about this comparison, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, if you can pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months, so that's a 20% discount. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly contact me on email and we can work things out with a fee. Now about this industry, the pipe industry and the construction industry has been under the cosh since 2017, but things have picked up over the last 18 months. Over the last one and a half years, construction industry has been doing well. In fact, the real estate industry has been seeing a lot of buying. The pipe segment has seen a significant shift from unorganized sector to the organized one, and we are seeing that taking place with Astral, the way the sales are coming, and same with Supreme. So construction activities has been picking up, and both the companies are top class in the segment. You have to understand that both Supreme have different kind of products in the pipe segment, whereas Astral is also top class in the domestic pipe segment, and they are producing very good top line growth, and that is why these companies are trading at such high valuations. But they are set to grow at greater pace as demand picks up even more, and it will only demand will only surge going forward. I think 6 months down the line, so from FY23 onwards, you will see the numbers become even bigger, and second and third tier cities to do extremely well going forward. Now about the comparison, and so if you look at it, Astral is a larger company with 43,000 crore market cap, whereas Supreme is at a market cap of 28,000 crores. The operating profit margin is pretty similar at around 22% for both Astral and Supreme, but the ROE is where the difference is, and where I like Supreme at these valuations is that the return on equity for Supreme is around 32%, whereas Astral is around 20 and 22.5%, which is still good but not extraordinary as Supreme is producing. Now Astral is trading at 17 times market cap to sales, whereas Supreme is 4 times market cap to the sales value. So Supreme Industry is a more you can say at more reasonable valuations compared to Astral itself. In terms of institutions and institutional investments, we are seeing that 30% investment by DIIs and FIIs into Astral, whereas around 35% is with Supreme Industries. So a greater investment is also with Supreme. Supreme has invested more into the market, and greater number of FII and DIIs are invested into say a Supreme Industry. If you look at the return on capital employed, then we are seeing that Astral has around 29% in terms of ROCE, and again Supreme trumps that with 40% ROCE, and the stock is up 250% over the last 12 months. So Astral is more than double, 2.5 times to its value, say 12-15 months back, whereas Supreme Industry has gone up only 50-60%. In fact, it has not done a lot. Supreme from around say 1400-1450 levels, it has gone up to something like 2200 or so. So I believe that Supreme at these levels looks good. Down declines to 2000 looks a much better company. More promoter is invested into an Astral, and you look at the difference in PE. So Astral is trading at a PE of around 110 even at these valuations, whereas Supreme is very reasonably valued at a PE of around 31. So very reasonable valuations we are seeing in Supreme Industries. So in a nutshell, Supreme is trading at very interesting and reasonable valuations. Astral looks fairly expensive, but growth is good. So in terms of growth, in terms of a larger company, in terms of a better company on the ground and the products that they are selling, Astral is a better pipe company. But then valuations do matter, and I think there has to be a valuation. There is a valuation mismatch, and the valuation catch up will take place. So I am looking at a 40 to 50% price rise of the stock of Supreme Industry in the near future rather than Astral going up that much. I think this valuation gap has to reduce. So Astral need to come out with sustainable top numbers to sustain this kind of valuations. Uh, See, the stock surge, future stock surges is more better, looks like it is more in Supreme Industries than Astral's. But both have high institutional investments, and Supreme has better margins, but Astral gaining market share. So you have to understand that Astral was a lesser known company say 2 years back compared to Supreme. Supreme has been a market leader earlier, but Astral is taking over with greater market share, and that is why the margins are much better for Supreme Industries because they have a hold. The company has a greater hold on the market, and in terms of price, you can say. They can manage prices better compared to Astral, and that's why they are having sitting on their laurels in that manner. So, but we have seen that Supreme Industry from 2000 to 2200 hasn't done much over the last 5 6 months. I think valuation wise, Supreme looks a much better company compared to an Astral. So as I mentioned, Supreme has greater, you can say, margin of safety. So when we look at the price around 20 to 2300, you can buy some here on declines. You can buy at around 2100, 2050. Those will be very good levels. Astral is also doing well. So I'm not saying Astral is ultra expensive, but it is comparatively very expensive compared to Supreme. Any declines to 1800, 1750 levels would be much better levels probably to get into Astral rather than at these valuations. And Supreme you can get in at current valuations also. There is very less chance of greater fall. I think 2000 to 1900 will be a strong support. So a deeper stop loss can be maintained in Supreme Industries at around 1900. I see 3000, 3200 coming in Supreme in the next 6 months. And then from FY23 onwards, things will become only better, and things will get even better on the ground. So I think both the companies will do well, but Supreme should be able to produce better stock returns because of the kind of valuation. So Supreme Industries can be accumulated at current valuations, whereas Astral has to be bought at on a 10-15% decline. I think Astral has run up compared to Supreme. Have less than 10% exposure on any of the two companies that you are invested in. So this is my video on the comparison between Supreme Industries and Astral. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get my videos straight away when I post it. And kindly support me on Patreon. Thank you.